jet truck. FM-2 Wildcat. And the Navy Legacy flight, you have a small window of opportunity to dash to the facilities if you want to. If you need to do that, if you're looking for a bite to eat, it's very close to wherever you are. If you are looking for a Dr. Pepper, that will augment and help you enhance your food items. And if you're a beer fan, it is Coors Beer of Fort Worth, Texas, that has the cold Coors for you as we continue our action. Up the airport. 450 kilometers down the wing. Total 6-inch rocket. 5-inch rocket, that is. Wildcat. And this is the F4F up together. And then you can tell what's legacy flight. And we're going to do a couple of passes just as we're up in the air. And Daniel, let's go ahead and play that music now since we are improvising. And we are also celebrating the 100th anniversary of Naval Aviation Camp on North Island in San Diego. Ellison, that is, became Naval Aviator #1, April of 1911. A month later, the Navy commissioned Curtis to build the Lincoln airplane called the Flight at a cost of $5,500, marking the official start of naval aviation. By the way, the same pilot, Ellison, achieved the racing milestone in November 1912 when he made the Navy's first successful catapult launch. We did that from a stationary coal barge at the Washington Navy Yard. Ladies and gentlemen, give the United States Navy a big round of applause for 100 years of naval aviation. 100 years of responsibility and excellence. Also protecting our distant south. The ground build and rushed out to the big barrel aircraft. We would like to move these as they are going to put on the ground.
There's something there to do. There's something wrong with the aircraft. This is the aircraft. We see all the straight, but it is subject to problems. Sometimes we get a fault in the vision. After the treated, like the real threat. We would like to acknowledge A-18E Alan Flight from California, one of the down and the United States Revolutionary